the beginner's AI blueprint for earning your first $300 online. If you are a beginner trying to make your first 300 online, listen carefully. You don't need 10 skills. You don't need a big audience. You don't even need to be perfect. What you need is a simple blueprint powered by AI that cuts your learning curve, speed up your content, and help you start earning faster than ever. In this video, I break down the Exact AI Starter Blueprint that help thousands of beginners get their first results online. Let's begin. Section 1. Why most beginners struggle. Most people fail online for only 3 reasons. 1. They don't know what to promote. 2. They don't know what content to create. 3. They don't know how to convert viewers to buyers. AI solves all these 3 problems. AI gives you ideas, it helps you create content, and it helps you build your funnel. But you need to follow a step-by-step blueprint, not random tactics. Section 2, Step 1. Choose one simple product. The fastest path to your first $300 is choosing one beginner-friendly product, one clear problem it solves, one audience you will help. AI helps you research profitable products. It helps you understand your customer. It helps you write simple product explanations, and it helps you create content angle instantly. Your goal this week, pick one product. Section 3, Step 2. Use AI to build your daily content. Here is the daily formula. Use ChatGPT to generate 5 hooks, 5 talking points, 1 script. Then use CapCut or Descript to add subtitles, clean audio, make shorts. Thereafter, use Canva AI for thumbnails, carousels, posters. AI removes 70% of this effort. You only record and publish. This is how beginners grow fast. Section number 4, Step 3. Build your simple AI funnel. To earn your first $300, you need a simple system. That system is the funnel. The funnel is the process that takes your customer from a total stranger to becoming your buyer. So it is your content that will draw the attention of that stranger, will take that stranger to your link in bio. Then from the link in bio, it will take that stranger to your squeeze page inside the funnel. Then from the squeeze page, it will take that stranger to your email follow-up. Then it will take that stranger to your product. It is the complete journey of that your complete stranger to becoming your buyer. So content to your link in bio, to your squeeze page, to your email follow-up, and to your product finally. For your funnel, AI helps you write your landing page, your email sequence, your product breakdown, your follow-up messages. Even if you are a complete beginner, when most people stop, your system continue working. Section number 5, Step 4. The $300 formula. So you don't need hundreds of sales. With one product, this is an example, a confirmation. Let's say with one product, you have 10 clicks per day, then 1 to 2 conversion per week, then one product paying, let's say $20 to $45 commission. You hit your first $300 faster than you think. The moment you gain momentum, AI keeps you consistent, your funnel keeps converting, and your income becomes predictable. So your first $300 online doesn't require magic. It only requires a system. AI is the tool, you are the engine, the blueprint is the roadmap. And if you want my free AI starter kit to help you begin immediately, the link is in the description. Let's move to the next breakthrough. Rooting for your success story.